Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared. First derivative of negative with 33 over s, we will have about positive 33 over s squared. So, number 3 and 11, we have 33s squared. 33, we can do about factorization. And this one, we have s to the power of negative number 2. Now, we need to go back in here. So this one, we change by this one. But we don't have 33 in here. So we need to divide both sides by 33. So this one, we have du over 33. So I will put this one in here. This one, we change by u. And now I will put this one go in here. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.